Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieved this hair and makeup, this really nice matte orange look. So if you want to see how that goes, then do keep on watching. Let's start with the hair. I'm going to be installing this wig. This is a frontal wig. This hair is from Hair Mall. I'm going to leave her Instagram page and Instagram link down in the description box. But when I got it, it was just that regular color 1B, that's like natural black. But I got tired of it because I had other hairs that were that color too. So I decided to put some highlights in it. But as at then, I didn't really know how to color hair that much. I was just learning how to color hair. So I wanted to put highlights in it, but I ended up getting this really cute shade of like chestnut brown. When I made this wig, I made it to be like a glueless wig, but sometimes I do glue it down. So I really don't want to glue this front. I just need to glue down the ear tabs. So this is laying down. Let's just get right into the makeup. Done with my brows now. I have a really detailed eyebrow tutorial up on my channel. I'm going to leave the link somewhere on the screen, so you can check that out if you want to see how I do my brows. Now I'm going to prime my lids with my Fenty Beauty concealer. I'll be using these two eyeshadow palettes. This one is from Juvias Place. This is the Warrior 3 eyeshadow palette from Juvias Place, and this is the Ladyvee Beauty Planet Cosmetics. This is Ladyvee Beauty Planet Lady in Paradise eyeshadow palette. This is a Nigerian brand. I'm going to be starting with this palette. I'll be using this shade, this orangey shade here, and also this purple shade. So I'm using these two shades. I'm going to start with the purple. Just going to take a little bit because this purple is really pigmented. I'm going to take some setting powder and set this hair just so I can blend easily around here. I'm going to take the orange shade, which is this orange and this on top of the purple. I'm going to intensify the purple again. Just going to take this benign clown white eyeshadow base, and I'm going to tap this onto my lid. I'm just going to use this to blend the edges. I'm going to move on to this eyeshadow palette now, vibrant orange shade, and I'm going to pack this on my lid. Brush and a little bit of that purple. Blend this here. Okay, I think we're done here. This is looking really nice. This is looking exactly how I want it to look, and I'm happy. Today is going to be a good makeup day. I'm going to do a little wing. So I'm going to apply lashes off camera, and I'll be back. We're done with our lashes now. Oh my gosh, my palette just broke. Oh. And this is one of my favorite shades in this palette. Oh my gosh.
I can't even express my feelings.
Let's move on though. I'm going to take this I'm going to contour my face with this face definer kit. I'm going to set my whole face now with my MAC Studio Fix powder. You guys know I go ham with blush because I like blush a lot. I'm in the mood for some extra highlights today, so I'm going to use this loose highlighter from Zikel Cosmetics. It's really sparkly. set this. I need to set this. That going into my mouth. It's nice.
No, my bad. I'm sorry.
I feel like I haven't done a bold look on my channel. I need to do that because I'm always wearing nude. Let's